back for a second. All good. How far did you get? Good work, my man. John, go ahead and flip back to that screen for me. Thank you, sir. Good morning to you guys, man. It's good to see you. Even though some of you were in my pod yesterday and wished some very interesting things, Gina. Don't think I forgot about that. But good to see you, Gina. Good to see you. In case you guys were wondering, yesterday in Circle, one of the prompts was if you could be Mr. Earl for the day, what would you do? Thank you, Kat. And Gina said that she would max out all her credit cards forever. So, thank you, Gina. Still love you. All jokes aside, man, it is good to see you guys. Which of these theorems does not prove congruence? Okay, start me out, brother.
Last one.
The last one. What do we call that one, dude? All right, Benny, why is that true?
Because it doesn't, I think the sign lengths, meaning the sign length is different, dilated, isn't a rigid transformation, so it would be right.
Absolutely, man. We could take this little baby triangle here and we could dilate it just like that. Those angles could all still be the same. Side lengths different. Hayden, nice work, my brother. Benny, good work, guys. Garen, what you need?
Hayden's getting picked up.
Okay. Hayden, you're good, buddy. This one. Linear or exponential? Kai, I'm going to you, bud. Linear or exponential?
Linear.
Okay. Prove it.
Okay, because it's actually not like doubling or tripling, it's just adding by a number, so 16.
What's that number?
6. So
Okay.
16 plus 6 is 22, 22 plus 6 is 28, and so on and so on.
Okay, man. I hear you. Point proven. Well done. Actually, Kai, I want to shout you out. I love that you said it's not doubling, it's not tripling. That's what it means to be exponential, right? Very good job, man. Definitely linear. If we're going to write the equation, we need two things, a y-intercept and a slope. Luna, can you give me the slope? Yeah. Y-intercept. Oliver, what's my y-intercept going to be here, man? Good. Oliver, what's your evidence for that? Just to be totally clear, man. Awesome, brother. Boom. Put it into an equation for me, Joaquin.
Y equals 6x plus 16.
Cool. Robin, can you rewrite this in another way that would still be correct?
I wrote y equals 16 plus 6x.
Cool. I am totally happy with either of those. Yesterday, Jackson, we all know Jackson. Hey, he was like, is it okay if I rewrite it like this? He was like trying to be different in typical Jackson form. And just so you guys know, yes, totally fine. Very few people do that, by the way, but totally fine. But that's Jackson. Too many years of Jackson, guys. This one, been very impressed with you guys. I thought what you guys did on Tuesday was really cool to see. These triangles, dun 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 dun, are they congruent? Yes, no, not enough information. Getting a lot of head nods right now. Fascinating. Gina, what do you got? One more time, sorry, you can hear. Okay, what's your evidence? Angle, side, angle, congruence. Okay. Angle, side, angle, you said? Alright, I'm gonna put you guys on the spot here. I'm gonna put a question mark on. I see two angles, right? So usually what happens for me, when I see two angles, I'm debating between these two. So do you guys think Gina's right? Is it angle, side, angle? I'm getting a lot of head nods right now. Ren, what do you think?
Well, I was also looking at the order as well, because that's how usually I differentiate ASA and AAS. So when you see it, first there's an angle, and then the next part is the side where it is the next mark, and then the last mark is an opposite.
Okay, I love that. Kai, you have something to add, bud?
I actually agree with you because
Me too.
it doesn't really matter the order, it's just it don't look like that.
The order definitely matters, man. Let's not be blurting everything out here.
Okay. Never mind that.
Okay, never mind. Still love you, but chill. Very important part here. The order does matter, in fact, right? The S right here, it's in between both A's, right? That tells me, Kai, that that side length that I'm looking for that's congruent has to be between the two angles, right? What's this right here? An angle or side length?
Angle,
What's it?
side,
What's it?
angle.
Okay, and you can obviously do the exact same thing. It's just so the way it's written absolutely matters. Very good explanation. Okay. Gina, congrats. Still on the fence with how I feel about it right now. Yeah. I'm gonna be in debt forever. Alright, if it says x plus 3, Sebastian, I'm going to you, my brother. If it says x plus 6, alright. What direction am I moving and how many places, man? How many places, sorry?
6.
To the, awesome, so 6 to the right. And if it says y minus 3, Kat, what's happening there? Awesome, man, you guys are very, very strong here. Knowing that, which one of these is actually correct here, Joaquin? Second one. Boom, very good job, you guys, that's awesome to see, man. Keep that mastery going. Okay, this one made me so happy. This was like the highlight of my day so far. I put this on here and I was like, you know what? We haven't graphed inequalities in a minute. Let's see how this goes. This will be fun. And I walked around and the mastery was so strong. I'm so proud of you guys. Because let's be real, sometimes I spiral stuff back and it's like, oh, we're all sad about it if we forgot. But I was really happy. We've got this inequality right here. I think the key here is a couple keys. How do you read that, by the way? Benny, go ahead and say that for us, man.
Y is less than 1/2 x plus 4.
Cool, man. So we're gonna graph it. I need a slope and a y-intercept. Warite, what's my y-intercept of this? Good, dude. Kai, what's my slope, man?
Your slope is 1.
1/2, dude. Awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'll do it on the computer because obviously those lines aren't really showing up too well for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and plot right here, y-intercept, up 1/2. I'm gonna keep that pattern going. Boom. I'll keep it going back this way. But now here comes my question to all of you. When I go to graph it, what type of line do I need? Alright, Rob, what kind of line do I need?
Dash.
Dash?
Because there's not an or equal to.
So it's dash line, you're positive, like 100% positive? Penny, is she right? Joaquin, is she right?
Why'd you shake your
Why'd you shake your head no? Okay. Okay, Robin, to be clear with you, I was just messing with you. Why is it dash though?
Because there's no or equal to on the symbol.
Awesome, man. So I'm gonna come over here and I like to just graph it the whole way and then kind of just take chunks out of it like we talked about back in the day. Go slow, go slow, go slow. Now, a lot of you asked me some really good questions when I was walking around. And you were like, hey, I've graphed it correctly, I've got my slope, my y-intercept, which I agree with. You guys did a very good job of actually plotting points and graphing them. Where do you shade though? Muna, where do we gotta shade? Why? Think of it. You don't know, Muna, it's totally fine, you can tell me, I'm just curious. Yeah, it is because of the symbol. What about the symbol? Can you say a little louder?
Less than.
Absolutely. It makes sense, right? Something's less than, we think below. That's exactly what's happening. So you can go ahead and shade here, shade it below. Hopefully your shading's a little bit better than mine. No judging.